Show your plan mirror and convex mirror image. Wait. Yes. Plan mirror. Yes. Yes. These two diagrams you have to draw. Should I draw it on the whiteboard? Okay. So okay, in the book it is given image formation by plan mirror, image formation by convex mirror. You can draw it in the notebook. Okay, and you have to draw it with pencil. You will use your pencil, ruler, and for drawing convex mirror you use your compass also, and you will write. Okay, wait for a while. And you have to use your ruler, rubber, and pencil for drawing the red diagram. And nobody will forget to use the arrow. Arrow is must. Okay, because arrow will indicate direction. Yes, arrow will indicate the path of the ray, direction of the ray. So it is must put the arrow. Without arrow, marks may be deducted. Am I clear? So everybody draw this formation of image by a plan mirror and formation of image by a convex mirror. You can draw with the help of book and use your pencil, ruler, and for drawing convex mirror you can use your compass. Okay. Next question is, what is next question? You can read. Read the next question. Can you say the answer? You have read the chapter, so you should be able to say the answer. Yes, he can't see the image. He will be able to see the image, but yes, yes, yes. You are correct. He cannot see himself in the mirror, but he can see the image of Q and R in the mirror. Okay. Huh, huh. Next question. Yes, yes. You can, Siddhi. You can. Center of curvature is the center of the sphere of which the mirror is a part. Okay, the mirror is a part of the sphere. Just now I am showing you. You can see spherical mirror is concave mirror and convex mirror. This is concave mirror. You can see, children, outer surface is polished in concave mirror, and this mirror is a part of this sphere. This sphere is of glass, and this mirror is a part of this sphere. And this sphere has a center. The center of this sphere is called center curvature of the concave mirror. Did you understand? Diagram is visible to you. Diagram. Okay. And in also same, convex mirror is also spherical mirror. Both concave and convex mirror are spherical mirror, and these two mirrors are section of part of a sphere made of glass, and the sphere has a center. The center of the sphere is called center of curvature of the spherical mirror. Next, yes, pole. Pole is the midpoint of the mirror, or concave and convex both. The midpoint of the mirror is called pole. See, this midpoint. This is midpoint of the mirror, and it is called pole. You have to draw the ray diagram, and you can show it with the help of diagram. Center of curvature I have shown here. Also I have shown. You will also draw the diagram, and in the diagram you will everything. What is next? Now, when you will join this, listen, children. When you will join center of curvature and pole, you will get a line. The line joining the center of curvature and pole is called principal axis. Now you say, I will join this center of curvature and pole. Okay. Now this line is called principal axis. Did you see, children? I joined the center of curvature and pole. Line joining the center of curvature is called principal axis. Next, focus. Now you see the rays are coming to principal axis. See, these rays are coming parallel to principal axis. Parallel to principal axis. This ray is also axis. Then after refraction, after refraction, will converge at a point on the principal axis. This ray is parallel, it will converge at this point. This ray will also converge at this point. Okay, put arrow. This ray in the similar way, this is the line parallel to principal axis after refraction. It will also converge at this ray to principal axis. After refraction, it will also converge. So you see, all these rays are converging at this point on the principal axis, and this point is called focus. Converge means meet. The rays, listen, you will define the rays parallel to principal axis in concave mirror. The rays coming parallel to principal axis, after they converge at a point. The rays are coming parallel to principal axis. After reflection, principal axis. They converge means meet at a point of principal axis, and this point is called focus. And the distance of the focus from the pole is equal to the distance of the focus from the center of curvature. Did you understand this thing? The distance of the distance focus is equal to distance between center of curvature and focus. If distance between pole and focus is 2, be also 2 centimeter. पोल से फोकस का जितना डिस्टेंस होगा उतना ही डिस्टेंस फोकस से सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर का होगा. सपोज पोल से फोकस का डिस्टेंस 3 सेंटीमीटर है, तो फोकस से सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर डिस्टेंस क्या होगा बताइए। अगर पोल से फोकस का डिस्टेंस 3 सेंटीमीटर है, तो फोकस सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर का डिस्टेंस क्या होगा। हाँ हाँ, ठीक है। Yes, all of you have understood. All of you have understood. So this is definition of concave mirror. Now in convex mirror, we define this is convex. This is convex mirror. Okay, the surface is polished. You will show here pole. Midpoint is called pole. The ray is coming parallel to this. The ray is coming parallel to principal axis. Then after reflection, it will diverge. It will diverge. It will appear to come from this point. It will appear to diverge from this point. This point is called focus. Yes. What? Okay, I will solve your problem. Aradhya, I will solve your problem later. See in convex mirror how you will define focus. In convex mirror, children, you can see the ray coming parallel to principal axis. This ray is parallel to principal axis, and after reflection, it appears to diverge from this point. And this point, from where it appears to diverge, this point is called focus. Okay, you see, diverging from this point. This is called focus. Again, you can see this is parallel to principal axis. Then after flexion, it will appear to diverge from this point, and this point is called focus. Okay? Okay, ask. कहाँ से डाइवर्ज करता है? फोकस से ही डाइवर्ज करता है। फोकस से ही डाइवर्ज होता है। जहां से वो डाइवर्ज होता है ना, वही होता है। जहां से डाइवर्ज होता हुआ दिखता है, वही फोकस होता है। वो रियल फोकस नहीं है, वो लगता है ऐसा, अपीयर होता है। इसीलिए हम लोग क्या कहते हैं, कन्वेक्स मिरर हैज अ वर्चुअल फोकस एंड कनकेव मिरर हैज अ रियल फोकस। ओके आराध्या, नाउ इज इट क्लियर टू यू? व्हाट? ओके okay children, very good. You have to revise it again and again, then you हाँ, इसीलिए मैं बोल रही हूँ अभी सब पढ़ लीजिए अच्छे से, ठीक है। नाउ व्हाट इज नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन? एनी वन ऑफ यू कैन रीड, डोंट आस्क। ओके, रीड अपूर्वा। अपूर्वा, रीड आउट। नाउ इन concave mirror, in makeup mirror you will write concave mirror. Concave mirror. Make right. In your book, it is plan mirror, but in makeup mirror, we generally use concave mirror. Mirror correct. Plan mirror is also used. Concave mirror is also used in makeup mirror. Next is rear view mirror, convex mirror. Yes, rear view mirror. You will write convex mirror. Next, reflecting type telescope, concave mirror. You will write concave mirror. Yes, write it. Then I will mute you. Don't speak too much. You have to write reflecting type telescope, concave mirror. Next, next is shaving mirror. Shaving mirror is plan mirror or concave mirror. Plan and concave both are correct. We can use both mirror, concave mirror and plan mirror. Okay? Listen, uses of mirrors are very important. Three types of mirrors are there, plan and concave mirror and convex mirror. Spherical mirror is of two types, concave mirror and convex mirror. And one mirror is plan mirror. So you have read three types of mirror and you know the use of each type of mirror. Like plan mirror is used for dressing up. It is used for making scientific meter. It is used for kaleidoscope. Right now I am saying use of plan mirror. Kaleidoscope is why. Okay, in that also mirror is used. For designing periscope, in making periscope, we take a overhead view and in periscope, flat is used. Okay, children? And again, you will write E is used in laboratory or it is used by the doctors. Which doctor? ENT doctor. It is also used ENT, you understand? Nose and throat. Ears, nose and throat doctor. E stands for ear, N for nose, T for throat. Doctors of nose, throat and ears are ENT doctor. They use concave mirror. Okay? And dentist also uses concave mirror. Doctor of are called dentist. They also use concave mirror. And is also used by ophthalmologist. Ophthalmologist means doctors of eyes. Okay. They yes, eye specialist ophthalmologist, and they use a device ophthalmoscope. In that concave mirror is used, and convex mirror is used for shaving. It is also used for looking rear view of, we can see a wide range of distance. Driver can see wide range of distance through this rear view mirror. So these are the three types of mirror and their usage. Very important. What is next question? Yes. Yes, yes, you are excused. Say. In ophthalmoscope there is mirror. Which mirror? Concave mirror. And the light is focused in such a way that the light falls on the retina and the doctor can see everything clearly. Okay, children? In concave mirror, there is a small hole near the center. In the concave mirror, a hole is there in the center, and this mirror, with the help of this mirror, the doctor direct a beam of light into the patient eye. A beam of light means many rays. They are coming on the patient's eye, and the doctor can see retina and other parts of the eye clearly through the hole in the mirror. Okay, in the mirror there is a hole. This hole is near the center of the mirror. In the ophthalmoscope, a hole in the center of the mirror, and through this hole, the doctor can see the beam of the light, and the beam of the light helps to see the retina and other parts of the eye clearly. So this ophthalmoscope, no, powerful source of light can damage our eyes, but here the light will not damage the eye. Rather, it will help to see the retina and other parts of the eye clearly. Okay. Now, what is next question? Any questions left? Okay. Okay. Very good, children. Now, I will discuss some activities which are very important in this chapter. I have already discussed. Now I will ask you questions from this chapter. Okay. 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 And listen, everybody should get the chance to give the answer. Start from Apurva. Okay, Apurva, turn on your video. Okay, yes. Now you define center of curvature, focus, and pole. Pole, pole. Excellent. Very good. Apurva. Listen, whenever your chapter will be completed, after completion, after discussion of question answer, I will take your oral test like today. Okay, so all of you join your class with preparation. Apurva has very good marks. Now next, okay, wait. Aradhya, you get chance. Wait a while. Now Siddhi, give the answer. What are Siddhi? Turn on your video. Okay. What are the characteristics of the image formed by a plane mirror? What are the characteristics of the image formed by a plane mirror? So you have left many points. Aradhya, can you answer? Give the answer of the same question. What are the characteristics of the image formed by a plane mirror? Real not, but a virtual image cannot be a real image. Virtual and real are different. Virtual image cannot be obtained on the screen, but real image can be obtained on the screen. Plane mirror always forms virtual erect image and of the same size as the object, and it also shows lateral inversion. Okay, all the characteristics you should keep in your mind. Like first characteristic, the image is formed as far behind in the mirror as the object is in front of the mirror. Second, the image is virtual, erect, and of the same size as the object. Next, it shows lateral inversion, means interchange of left and right. If anything is in the left, in the mirror, it will be seen in the right side. There is interchange of left and right. That is called lateral inversion. Okay. Now, next, Palakshita. What are the uses of plane mirror? What are the uses of plane mirror? Just now I had discussed. What are the uses of plane mirror? For making periscope, for making kaleidoscope. Okay, kaleidoscope is a toy, and for making kaleidoscope we use plane mirror. For designing scope also, periscope goes under the water and we can view the overhead object. ओके, पनडुब्बी जिसको कहते हैं, ठीक है। पेरिस्कोप सबमरीन में यूज होता है, ठीक है। पनडुब्बी में, सबमरीन में पेरिस्कोप यूज होता है। एनीथिंग एल्स? नेक्स्ट, नेक्स्ट स्टूडेंट, नेक्स्ट स्टूडेंट, व्हाट इज यूज ऑफ कनकेव मिरर? Who can answer this question? Use of concave mirror. Everybody is silent. So simple question I am asking. What about rest children? Only Apurva, Aradhya, Siddhi, Palakshita. What about boys? Why they are not answering? Boys, you should also participate actively. What are the uses of concave mirror? Okay, now any one of you can answer. Anjali, listen. Anjali, give the answer. Anjali, give the answer. Anjali, Give the answer. Yes, yes, yes. You have read three types of doctor: ENT doctor, dentist, and ophthalmologist. These three doctors use concave mirror. It is used as a reflector in torch. It is used in telescope. Very simple. Yes. Now, yes, you have seen the use of concave mirror and plane mirror. Now, who can say use of convex mirror? No, next. No, Radhya Apurva won't reply. Next student. What is the use of convex mirror? Convex mirror is used to see the rear view. And now, now next question. Now next question. Which type of listen firstly. Which type of image is formed by a convex mirror? What will be the nature? Which type of image will be formed by a convex mirror? You say nature, size, and yes, virtual, erect, and diminished. Okay. Shivam Kumar Dubey, Amisha Kumari. You should also give the answer of the question. Okay? Yes, yes, you are giving. Now, one question is for you. Which type of image is formed by a concave mirror if the object is placed at the center of curvature? In concave mirror, yes. Now, next student will give. Shivam, can you give the answer? Your video is not on. Turn on your video. Shivam Kumar Dubey. Which type of image is formed when the object is placed at the center of curvature in concave mirror? In concave mirror, oh, Palakshita, Palakshita, say the answer. Okay, now your time is over. So, listen. Yes, Apurva and Aradhya can say the answer. I know. Not diminished. Not diminished. It will be of the same size as the object. Yes, same size. not diminished. Okay, the image will be real, inverted, and of the same size as the object, and it will be formed at the center of curvature. Okay children, thank you.